Welcome, my name is Chris and today I will be showing you how to create glows like the ones you are seeing now. I will begin by using the picture of a snail. We want to make its shell glow, so the first thing that we need to do is to make the image dark. You do this by adding a curves layer and dragging the shadows down. Next, you want to add your solid color layer and then select the color that you would like to use. Set the blend mode to linear dodge add and then invert the mask on the layer. Grab your soft round brush with an opacity of 100% and a flow of 5%. Gently brush over where you want to add the color while changing the size of the brush for more intensity. To ensure that the light only applies to the light areas of the snail, double-click the layer to open up its layer styles. Then holding down Alt, click to separate the slider for the underlying layer option and separate it so that the change is feathered out. Duplicate your solid color layer, then change it to a smart object before adding Gaussian blur to it. Then duplicate that layer and add another Gaussian blur, but bigger this time. Add another solid color layer for your overall glow, ensuring that the blend mode is set to linear dodge add. Use a soft white brush at 5% flow to add the glows. To add more contrast to the image, you will need to add a curves adjustment layer. Create a slight S-curve as shown here to create that contrast between the light and the dark. Group all your color layers together to clean up your layers a bit. Then, add an exposure layer for creating your light source. Increase your exposure, then invert the mask on the exposure layer. From here, take your soft white brush with a flow of 10% and add your light source to the image. Create a flat image of what you have so far by selecting your first layer and holding down Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Then go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter and add your personal touch to the image. I like to increase the highlights a bit and add color calibration. Once that is done, you are ready to add your final glow. Create a new solid color layer, change the blend mode to linear dodge add, and then invert the mask on the layer. Use a soft white brush to add a gentle glow where needed. And there you have it. Those are all the fundamental steps needed to create an amazing glow in Photoshop. Then you can apply that in a number of ways to a number of different projects. Do remember to give a like to this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.